Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in a Dodge Ram 1500. First, let's gather our essential tools and supplies. You'll need about 7 quarts of 5W20 full synthetic engine oil, a new oil filter, and a 13mm socket for the drain plug. An oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and a funnel are also crucial. Don't forget safety glasses, gloves, and plenty of rags for cleanup. Before you begin, ensure your truck's engine is slightly warm, then turn it off. This helps the oil drain more efficiently. Safely lift your Ram 1500 using a jack and jack stands, then position a suitable drain pan directly under the oil drain plug. Remove the oil filler cap from the top of the engine to facilitate a smoother, faster oil flow. Now, using your 13mm socket, carefully remove the drain plug and allow all the old oil to drain completely. Once the old oil has drained, locate the oil filter, typically on the passenger side, and remove it with your oil filter wrench. Make sure the old gasket isn't stuck to the engine block. Lubricate the new oil filter's rubber seal with a little fresh oil, then screw it on by hand until snug, followed by an additional 1/4 turn. Reinstall the drain plug, tightening it to 25 foot-pounds. Now, using your funnel, add approximately 7 quarts of fresh 5W20 full synthetic oil. After adding the new oil, start your engine and let it run for about 30 seconds to circulate the fresh oil. Turn off the engine and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle. Now, check the oil level using your dipstick, ensuring it's within the safe range. Add small amounts if necessary. Carefully inspect around the drain plug and oil filter for any signs of leaks. Finally, remember to properly dispose of your old engine oil at an authorized recycling facility.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.